The Spirit of Swerve captures what it means to be human, where the urge to innovate and the rise of new technologies are always rerouting our journey. Throughout history, we have applied our expanding scientific knowledge to develop new tools, new machines, and new ways of doing things. You see it in the changing ways we transform energy to work for us, in how we make things, in the ways we move around, and in how technologies like virtual reality are changing the very way we experience the world. At the Nuclear Innovation Institute, we are excited by emerging technologies that hold out the promise of a better future. Perhaps they can help us avoid the worst of climate change, give us cleaner air, water, and land, make our workplaces safer, or dream up new medical devices that provide hope for our loved ones when they're sick or injured. Innovation and new technologies will write our future. But with every advance come deeper questions. Should we fear machines that are smarter than us? Is VR an escape from reality, or is it reality? And if technology makes something possible, like bringing back an extinct species, should we use it? Swerve asks these big questions too, because the human journey never unfolds in a straight line, and it's up to us, all of us, to ensure that the swerves we take lead to better lives, better communities, and a better world.